Thanks for coming back to watch another video, which we provide information on all things health and wellness. In this video we discuss the best home remedies for clear and glowing skin. Now, who doesn't want healthy, radiant skin? While there are countless products on the market that claim to give you the perfect complexion, they can often be expensive and filled with harsh chemicals. That's where home remedies come in. These natural, budget-friendly solutions use ingredients that can be easily found in your kitchen or garden, and they can be just as effective as their store-bought counterparts. So, without further ado, let's dive into some of the top home remedies for clear and glowing skin. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Simply mix equal parts lemon juice and water, apply to your skin with a cotton pad, and let it sit for 10 minutes 15 minutes before rinsing off. 2. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. It can also have antibacterial properties, making it great for acne-prone skin. Simply apply a thin layer of honey to your face and let it sit for 20 minutes 30 minutes before rinsing off. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural skin soother and can help to reduce redness and inflammation. Simply break off a piece of an aloe vera leaf, extract the gel, and apply it to your skin. 4. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which can help to exfoliate and soften the skin. Simply mash up a small piece of papaya and apply it to your face, letting it sit for 15 minutes 20 minutes before rinsing off. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Mix a small amount of turmeric with honey or milk to create a paste, and apply it to your face. Let it sit for 20 minutes 30 minutes before rinsing off. There you have it, some simple and effective home remedies for clear and glowing skin. As with any skincare routine, be sure to patch test any new ingredients before applying them to your face, and remember to always use sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you have any favorite home remedies for clear and glowing skin.